Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you today, this is a Masterflex BT series peristaltic pump. The pump is unused. We've just taken it out of its original shipping crate. It's running on 120 volt. Has a 90 volt 3/4 DC drive with encoder to send signals back to your control box. You see there's 4 hose ports on there, allowing 2 pumps. You'll see there's a safety switch just activated. Our controls are running on 120 volt single phase, of course. And as you can see, turn the speed up and down. It'll start to accelerate if you hold it down. It runs from 11 to 321 RPM. The encoder you can see on the end there. There's a small group of parts with the unit. Some electronic components included in there. The drive is a lease-on wash guard, and the controls are rated for NEMA 4X indoor. There is a distinction between indoor and outdoor. We have lots of pumps in our stock, every type: lobe, peristaltic, metering, moino, gear pumps, air pumps, as well as everything in process and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.